Want your windows to look crystal clear without all that annoying streaking and grime messing things up? Okay, so first off, you gotta clean both sides of the window, not just the inside, cause dirt builds up outside too, especially if you live near a busy street or lots of trees. Use a good window cleaner or just mix some water with white vinegar for an easy, eco-friendly fix. Grab a microfiber cloth or a squeegee to avoid those irritating streaks that regular paper towels leave behind. Start wiping from the top and work your way down, so the dirt doesn't drip on the spots you already cleaned. If it's been a while, spray some cleaner and let it sit for a minute to break down stubborn grime before scrubbing. Don't forget to hit the window tracks and corners where dust loves to hide. For super foggy glass, check if the seal between panes is broken, because that means you might need a pro to fix or replace it. And hey, cleaning windows on a cloudy day is better. Sunlight dries cleaner too fast and causes streaks. One of the biggest problems with window cleaning is using the wrong tools like regular paper towels that leave fuzz and streaks. Switching to microfiber cloths or squeegees will fix that. Another common mistake is ignoring the outside of windows, which can make your effort inside pointless since the grime still blocks your view. Just remember to hit both sides regularly. Lastly, not checking for foggy window panes caused by broken seals can lead to mold and energy loss. If you notice condensation between double panes, it's time to call a professional for repair or replacement. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who specialize in window cleaning, repairs, and more. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with people looking for their services and grow their business without hassle.